Welcome back. Wanted to show what I've done so far. I didn't mean to update the map, but had a little mess up. So it ended up getting updated. I've laid the foundation. I'm doing the first kind of the basement area. This is going to be the first floor. And these are going to be a bunch of little rooms in the basement. I have a few spots that lead to those underground caverns that I had left open. I haven't done any work. I just set some stairs, set a doorway for the entrances. I didn't build the rooms on a grid. I kept them evenly spaced out, but I just kind of started in one corner and worked my way out. I've built up the towers. They're going to have a few different connection points, top and bottom. Well, top, middle, and bottom. All four towers are connected. I'm working on mapping where I'm going to set the middle tower right now. That's what's going on over here. This is how I got the shape of it. I found the right angle of the where I had set the outer walls of the tower. This is where how the wall first looked when I after I figured out where I wanted to set it or set the castle. I came here at this right angle and I set some blocks out going this way, some going out this way. And then I set a few blocks going at this angle. And then I just kind of set a few blocks, kind of like stairs in the middle. So that way it looked, looked like it was going more at a slope than at like a steep angle. And I did that all around. This is how I did my tower. If you're building a smaller skinny tower, you can start out with like one block in the middle or 4 blocks in the middle and just put blocks in the corners. And you'll get a rather roundish shape for like smaller towers. But if you're trying to do the same thing for a big tower, then you'll end up with these diamond shapes. I did a replica of the shape of these corner towers right here in the same checkered board pattern, so that way you can get a good visualization of what I mean by like staggered or like stairs. You don't want to keep it too even. You want to do a mixture of even and odd. But trying to find the middle ground sometimes can be a pain. As you can see with this larger one, it's not very round. It's roundish, but I can do better. I might make the tower a little bigger, I'm not sure. I've built up most of the wall. As I shown earlier, I did the I set the blocks. A total of what was it? Yeah, 5. And I decided to go with 7. So I went back through and I added another layer. And I'm just coming and building up the wall up to that point over here. And then I'll go across the top and build the towers and put more detail, put side walls. I'm going to do a lot more detail work on this kingdom. Right here, I had a little bit of a hiccup. I thought the middle was about right here, but it was a little more over here. So I had already built the stairs that I was going to have here, but I messed it up. But that's what I've done so far. I'll do another tour of my underwater village and then my castle that I built in the Nether Realm. And continue to do more uploads while working on this. But this is what I've done so far. I had to go through and I messed up and thought I knew where the middle was, but then I set in the inner parts of the wall and that got thrown off like so much that I ended up just screwing up in a measurement. Luckily, I remeasured and I found the actual middle right here. I'm gonna have the tower starting from the first floor right here, but I'm just trying to work on the shape right now. And I'll go through and I'll break blocks and reset them and then look at that shape, and if it looks better, you know, I'll stick with that, but still working on that. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.